Imagine sneezing. Now imagine sneezing non-stop for nearly 3 years. In 1981, a 12-year-old girl named Donna Griffiths caught a cold and started sneezing. A lot. 20 sneezes a minute, hundreds an hour, thousands a day. Doctors were baffled. Medications didn't help. By day 100, she'd already broken the world record. But the sneezing didn't stop. She sneezed through school, meals, and sleep, yes, even while dreaming. Finally, after 978 days, almost 3 full years, her sneezing just stopped. No explanation, no medical breakthrough. It disappeared the same mysterious way it began. To this day, no one knows what caused it. But one thing's for sure, Donna Griffiths will go down as the queen of the uncontrollable achoo.